Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We've got something here really unique, a 2018 plate Mazda MX-5 2 litre 165 PS Z-Sport model, finished in machine grey with cherry cloth roof and sand leather interior. This car is limited edition number of 87 of only 300 imported into the UK by Mazda. Beautiful condition car, finished as I said in machine grey with these unique 17-inch BBS alloy wheels, reverse park sensors and scuff plates here. The sand leather, which is absolutely in flawless condition, extends to the door cards. The colour combination of the machine grey with the contrasting sand leather interior is simply stunning. Let's check inside the car. It's done, I think, just a shade over 17,000 miles. A real rarity these are, and you can see limited edition plaque there, number 87 of 300 of these Z Sports, so totally unique. Let's just start it. 17,075 miles. This is a grade, what we term as a grade 1 car. It's in exceptionally beautiful condition. As you'd expect with this level of vehicle, you're getting integrated Bluetooth with voice control, cruise control. You're also getting auto lights, and you are getting automatic wipers with variable speed on the intermittency. And as you'd expect with this level of car, you're getting satellite navigation, you're getting parking sensors at the rear, auto dimming rear view mirror, but simply stunning. In this central display, you can navigate, you can set up a home address, you can find your address, any address by town or postcode. Going back to the home screen here, you can individualize this car for your own tastes. The display we're looking at, for example, you can adjust that between auto day and night mode. You can adjust the brightness and the contrast within that. Safety, lane departure warning system that this car has, keeps you in the correct lane on the motorway and warns you if you're drifting off that lane. You can set up parameters within that, the timing of that to be adaptive, the warning to be off and medium or rare, the sound to be a beep or rumble, and the volume within those sound alerts. Back to the home screen, and back to settings. Sound, this is equipped with a Bose sound system. So you got Bose audio pilot, apart from bass, treble, fader and balance. You got Bose audio pilot, which adjusts the level of sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Clock here, you can sync it so it's 12 or 24 hours and adjust the time zones accordingly. Vehicle, you can adjust things like your door locks, the auto relock time. You can elect whether you have walk away locking or not. So very, very versatile here. System, you can adjust your temperature, Fahrenheit, Celsius, distance, miles or kilometers. You have here DAB radio. Within this you can select any station you wish and you get crystal clear reception. This is the beauty of this. Absolutely wonderful little car, this. So we go on something popular like Radio 2, it all comes up here, but if you look along here you can also set FM AM. It's got USB connectivity, the lot. Going into applications here, a vehicle status monitor means that it's low on fuel. Fuel economy monitor, it's been nowhere, so as you'd expect it reads 0. can connect a phone and set up the various parameters within that. Down here, let's turn on the lights so you've got a better view. Automatic climate control, you just turn everything to auto and it will direct and control the fan speeds for you automatically. You can override that by selecting the directional control, the one on the right hand side, to any of these symbols here. Beneath this is, I don't know if you can see this, but you've got heated seats, driver and passenger. You also have twin USB ports, 6-speed manual gearbox, and your central display here does navigation, favorites button, back button, volume button, home screen and music. This car has speakers set into the headrest to give you a more immersive sound experience when you're driving, but really unique. It's you don't see one of these very, very rare, with only 300 from being sold new. This is such a low mileage example and an exemplary condition. Let's take the roof down. So simple with this roof. You just undo that, windows go down, and it's that simple. Let's show you a bit more around here with the roof down. Pop that in there. That is the release lever to bring that up. This is what the car, just leave those keys there. This is what the car looks like from the exterior with its roof down. Absolutely stunning. You've got the black windscreen pillar setting off against the alloy wheels, the black alloys, beautiful machine grey paint. Will come with 12 months warranty this, which is a Mazda approved warranty. It will go through our workshop, have a 101 check, which they check everything. Tyres, battery, brake pads, usually anything beneath 4mm gets replaced. So this car will be prepared to the highest possible standard. If you want a lovely car, this is it. 87 of 300, as I say. Totally unique. If you want to find out more about this or any of our other MX-5 stock, please go onto our website, www.twwhitesons.co.uk. Thank you for watching.